Hey everyone. So today we're back at the Pokhara mountain bike centre. I decided after my ride the other day that it really wasn't enough, so I've come back for more. Me being my overly optimistic self, I've decided to go on a 2-day bike ride up to a little village called Dhampus up in the mountains. So I'll ride up there today, spend the night, maybe explore a little, and then come back tomorrow. We'll see how we go. I haven't really ridden any more than 4 or 5 hours downhill in the last 2.5 months, so it could be a bit of a challenge, but yeah. Got my bag packed, I've got my enthusiasm, and I'm ready to go. Let's go, let's do it. So I got my bike sorted. The giant Fathom here. Looks alright, I'm sure it'll get me around. Just gonna gear up and hit the road. Hello. How are you? Thank you, sir. Alright, so I've just reached the Saran Cot area. Had to buy a ticket for 50 rupees, which is about 60 cents, so that's alright. Paragliding is also very popular here in Pokhara, and yeah, have a look. You can see them all out there, just floating around. Looks like there's about 20, I'd say, all just cruising around. Looks a bit chaotic for me. I'd be worried we'd have an accident, run into another one. I've seen how people drive here, so unless it's heaps better in the sky, could be problematic. The guy here at the ticket counter told me it's about another 2 kilometers to the top, and then it's pretty flat across the top. So I'm looking forward to that, but I better keep going if I hope to get where I want to by nightfall. Hello, sir.
That is a Nepali festival, you know. Uses 100 rupees.
What's it for? To buy things for the festival?
Festival, you know.
Yeah, my friend.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Have a good festival. Apple. Yeah, say hello.
How are you?
How are you?
How are you?
Yeah. Say hello, Australia.
Hello, Australia.
Yeah, nice one. Alright. Just up to buy some cool water. Nice little shop here. I just thought I'd show you where I'm actually riding today. Alright, so yeah, where I'm riding from today. This is Pokhara Lakeside. And I'm hoping to ride to Dhampus up here. Now I spoke to the guy at the bike shop, and there is this main road, it's like highway, that goes all the way around here, then you just turn off and up the Dhampus. But he showed me a much nicer route, which is the one I've been riding this morning. It was up here and then we just turned off into the mountains, up that massive hill, which was pretty much to about here. Doesn't look like much, but when you're going uphill constantly, it's a bit full on. But it's been quite nice from there with sort of like undulating hills. I think I'm about here now, maybe. So yeah, I'll just cruise along here and over to Dhampus. I've gone about 16 kilometers, about 12 to go, so Gonna rehydrate and then keep going. Alright, so I've come out of that little mountain road back on what they call the main road. Apparently the guy at the bike shop was saying it's like downhill until the turn off for Dhampus, and then I have another climb back up to Dhampus, so I'm just going to enjoy this downhill roll for a while. Alright, so I've reached the turn-off for Dhampus, and it looks like I'm going to have some fun. Well, no time like the present. Ay, caramba. Very hot, no?
My country?
My country, Australia.
Australia.
Yeah.
Yeah, my zone, Australia.
Your son?
Zone.
Ah, yeah. Where in Australia?
Yeah, Sydney.
Sydney, okay. For study?
Yeah.
Ah, awesome. What is your name?
My name?
Yeah.
Kedar Mandari.
Kedar Mandali. I'm Alex.
Alex.
Pleased to meet you, man.
My sister, Australia.
Your sister? Australia.
My wife, Australia.
Really? And you here? You live here?
Yeah.
Yeah?
My house here.
House here? Ah, very good. I got about maybe a kilometre up the hill from the turn off, and that lovely old Nepalese guy saw that I was struggling a little bit. So he sort of led me over into the shade and made me put my bike down and hung out here and had a chat with me while I had a drink of water and composed myself a little. So I think I'm ready to go on. It's about another 6 kilometers, so yeah, we'll see how we go. Namaste. How are you?
One time, ride cycle. Ride one ride.
One little ride.
Yes.
Look.
Like what? Oh, nice.
Pokhara and Kathmandu. So my bike's been hijacked for the moment. But that's alright, I'm gonna have a banana, refuel a bit, and probably wet myself down a bit, try and cool off. Much better. Rude? Yeah?
Which one?
This one? Good?
You can take, yeah.
Thank you, sir. What are they?
Guava.
Guava?
Yeah.
Ah, yum. Awesome. Thank you. I'll try one now.
Yeah. It's so tasty.
Mmm, good.
Take it.
Ah, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Hello.
Hello.
How are you? Say hello.
Hi.
Nice one. So now, yeah. Peekaboo. Oh. Dhampus. How far?
3 kilometers from here.
3 kilometers from here. Okay. Maybe 1 hour on the bike. It's nice. Dhampus is nice.
Yeah, nice.
Beautiful. Thank you very much. think that's it. My first glimpse of Dhampus. So the road still goes up a bit further this way, but I think I'm here. I guess go and try and find a guest house and then put my feet up. Definitely. Nice one, you got it? Oh, don't go over the edge. Hey. Alright, turn. Oh, wait, oh. Maybe go this way first, eh? Yep. Ready? The pedal. There we go. You might have to stand up. It's pretty big. Yeah. Oh. There we are. Another go? No worries. All day today, wherever I've gone, the little dudes have wanted to have a ride of the bike, so I've stopped a number of times now and pushed some little kids around, but it's great. It's awesome. I mean, it was way too big for those two little guys, but they loved it anyway, so no, it's cool. I have arrived in Dhampus. It's beautiful, very quiet, right on the ridge of the mountain. Just looking for somewhere to stay. But yeah, the view's not too bad. Nice to meet you, I'm Alex. So the room was only 500, which is great. It's a decent room, but yeah, the view is something else. Come and check this out.
The sun kissed the dust on the lonely trail as darkness crept up upon the weary day with each...
How was that, eh? Not too bad. Talk about a $6 room with $1 million view. Now, I was going to explore Dhampus a bit this afternoon, but I'm beat. I only rode maybe 30 kilometers, but I climbed 1.3 kilometers. So if you're a rider or a hiker or anything like that, you'll know it's pretty tough. It was a bit more than I was expecting. I didn't really look into anything like that before I left. Yeah, so for now I'm gonna have a shower, find something to eat and put my feet up for the evening, and we will go and explore Dhampus in the morning when I'm feeling a bit more energized. So until then guys, take it easy.
I saw my silhouette grow taller each step though I felt to grow shorter. Glanced back to confirm my path, but it seems that the sands they had stolen my past. I laughed so loud that I startled the stars, and then I bent my head to continue the task. Cause I had run so hard, so fast. It seemed so near and then it disappeared. Felt that hand grasp upon my heart.